Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Merely, back again with another makeup video. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing how I created this look. If you want to see how I achieved this look, keep watching. Bear in mind, you can wear this look to like a dinner date with bae, going out with your girls. If you are new, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you know when I have new videos. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much for stopping by again, and let's get right into this video. So first off, I'm going to be applying the primer, which is this, the baby skin primer. I've had this for a while. Then I'll be going into the Maybelline Superstay foundation in Chestnut. And I'll be using the BH Cosmetics brush in number 4 to apply it. Bear in mind, before I started my foundation or applied my primer, I used a moisturizer because you don't want your products to cake up, so you have to moisturize your face and moisturize. And I use my primer, and I'm obsessed with that primer because it gives me zero pores. Like, it gives me zero pores. So when I use this primer, this baby skin primer, it helps to reduce the visibility of my pores. Then you can see by the foundation that it is my skin match, so I'm just going to blend it into my neck so everything comes out looking flawless. I'm blending it into my neck. Before I go any further, I'll be using a lip balm. Okay, I have applied that now. So after applying my foundation, I'm going to go into the concealer. For concealer today, I'll be going into the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in 45. I'm just going to be applying it in all the area I need to conceal. I'm going to go back into that brush I used to apply my foundation. And blend out the concealer. Can you see the difference? I'm using the Laura Mercier powder, Laura Mercier setting powder to set my face. I got this cheek glaze. I'll be using that to contour. Baking my face. While my face is baking, I'll be going into the Maybelline Brow Gel, Maybelline Brow Drama. I'm going to use the Maybelline Brow Drama to raise my brows before I go into the brow pencil to draw it out. So if you are going out and you don't have the energy to draw your brows, you can just always run with this and just use it to lay your brows. I'm going to be drawing the brows now using the Beauty Line by Didi brow pencil. So guys, I'm not going to draw my brows on camera. I have a video of me drawing my brows, so you can always check that out to see how I draw my brows. Now that I'm done with the brows, now I'm going to do my eyeshadow. I'll be doing a cut crease look, so I'll just do this look and I'll show you how we did it on this side. So I already primed my lids using my concealer, but I could have used the eyeshadow primer, but I didn't do that. So next, I'm going to be going for the shape I want to do. I'm doing a cut crease look, so I'm just blending out the edges, defining the shape, and then blending out the edges basically. I'll be using the P. Louise base in Winter Rose to cut my crease. So yeah, I just cut the shape I want to go for, and I'm just using that P. Louise base on it. Guys, this base is very pigmented, so I recommend you buy one. It's quite costly, but it is really worth it if that's what you want. Then after outlining, I'm just going to go into my eyeshadow palette from Mother Africa, and I used the Mother Africa palette, and I used a blush palette already on. I got it for like cheap. It has like a lot of colors, a lot of pink colors. Then I go into my aqua liner I got from Little Bits of Fashion and Beauty. Yeah, it's actually, oh my god guys, I didn't know what I've been doing before I figured out an aqua liner. So I was going for an ombre effect, so I decided to apply a white eyeshadow in front and just blend it out so it gives it that look I want. Now that I'm done with my eyes, I am going to wear my lashes, but before I go into my lashes, I apply the blush because you know we have to finish up this pink look with the blush. Then I'm going to have to dust out the setting powder on my face and add a setting spray because we want to be looking dewy. So I've dusted out the setting powder on my face. I'm going to set my face with this sooopro Cosmetics Hydra Glow Mist. Now that I'm done with that, I'm going to be doing my lips. I'm going to wear my eyelashes last because I don't know, I just want to wear it last today. I'm going to do my lips, but first off, I'm going to have to clean out the lip balm I kept. Okay, for my lips, I'm going to line it first. I'll be lining with the Beauty Line by Didi pencil. Now that I'm not lining my lips, I'll be going to the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink. I love the smell of this lipstick. So I'm going to be doing the ombre look. Like, the applicator is so pretty. I'm using the P. Louise base, the inner lipstick. So I'm just going to go in with the gloss because why not? So I'm going to apply my highlighter and I'm just going to set it all. So I'm going to go into my Fits Me Maybelline powder. So now that I'm done, I'm just gonna do my lashes. I'll be right back. So guys, this is the final look. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you're new, please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye guys.